In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from your Nordvpn account. Whether you're freeing up space for a new device, experiencing connectivity issues, or simply want to enhance your security by managing all your connected devices, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring clarity and confidence along the way. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Nordvpn app. This is your central hub for managing your VPN connections and settings, and today, it's where our journey begins. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so, because accessing device management features requires you to be signed into your Nordvpn account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard, where you'll have a clear overview of your VPN status, server connections, and settings. Now, we're going to navigate to the MeshNet feature within the app. You might be thinking, what is MeshNet exactly? Simply put, MeshNet is a Nordvpn feature that allows you to connect your devices securely, almost creating your own private network. In this section, look for the device option. Clicking on this will display a list of all the devices currently connected through your Nordvpn account. This includes smartphones, tablets, computers, basically any device you've ever connected via Nordvpn. Next, you'll be shopping around this list to find the specific device that you want to remove from your network. Check carefully through your connected devices. Each device will be displayed with its name and a brief description, making it easier for you to identify the one you want to manage. Take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the right device, especially if you've got similar devices connected. For example, if you see multiple listings for iPhone or desktop, double-check their details to ensure accuracy. Once you've identified the device you wish to remove, typically, you'll see an option labeled Remove or Delete. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation dialog, asking if you're sure you want to proceed with removing the device. This is a crucial step. Removing a device means it will no longer have access through your Nordvpn account, at least until you reconnect it. So if you're certain, go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it. You have successfully removed a device from your Nordvpn account. Remember, you can always reconnect this device later should you change your mind or need its access reinstated. Managing your devices efficiently not only optimizes your VPN usage, but also strengthens your control over who accesses your private network. That concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful walkthroughs like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.